14 Easy Ways to Make a Guy Miss You Like There's No Tomorrow. Love is favoring and strange. As a lady, you want your man to ache for you, miss you when you are nowhere to be found. Here is a portion of current realities and mental tricks that will make him miss you like there's no tomorrow. Quit messaging him. Men will generally lose interest in ladies who are promptly accessible for them. You want to make him miss you over text by decreasing your texts to him. It will make him can't help thinking about what's going on and he will begin to miss your texts. Play the waiting game. Make him hang tight for you to react. Make him miss you to get him to get back to you. Continuously be the first to hang up. Hanging up first will show him that you're not passing on to converse with him perpetually. Try not to part with everything. Try not to share your biography on only 2 dates. Set aside time, don't open yourself just too early. Giving all that immediately will rule out additional discussions. Number 5. Be occupied when he asks you out. Never consistently hop up to say okay at whatever point he asks you out. Put on a show. All things being equal, it's alright to turn down a couple of plans. Give him space to make him miss you. Give him sufficient room to ponder you in your non-appearance. That is the way all the missing will begin. Your non-appearance and the way that you were having a good time will make him miss you more. Share your undertakings with him. There are so many fun stories that you can impart to him. He will feel that you are remembering him for your nearby circle and he will feel to realize you better. Deal with him like a companion. This will cause him to understand that he needs to prevail upon you and he will invest in more amounts of energy. His endeavors will reflect in the manner he begins to treat you back. Leave him longing for additional. You should leave him needing for more, a greater amount of your time, your consideration, more experiences of your character, and you will observe him yearning to have a discussion with you. Get occupied on every occasion. Begin having night outs with companions and inform him regarding all the great you had. This will make him envious and he will miss not being with you having a great time. Be brimming with astonishments to make him wonder. Men love ladies with unfathomable energy and brimming with shocks. Be loaded with shocks. Send him roses here and there or simply request nourishment for him through an application. Dress to kill like a supermodel. Put on staggering dresses when you are meeting him. Your appearances ought to highlight your best resources. You can make a man miss you like there's no tomorrow. Show him that he's by all account not the only one in line. The objective here is to just make a person miss you, not to make him desirous to drive him away. Cause him to understand that you're the only one best for him. Invest energy with him to know what his ideal young lady resembles. What intrigues him, what illuminates his face. Assuming that you put forth the attempt, you'd have the option to make him miss you the second you are away from him. We have come to an end of this video. If it's not too much trouble, like, share, and subscribe iBrainHacks. Furthermore, thank you so much for watching this video.